Mabuhay, thank you for calling Situation Cafe and Murder Restaurant. This is Joanna. How may I help you?
I would like to make a table reservation, please.
Certainly. Who am I speaking to?
My name is Angela.
May I spell your name, ma'am? Alpha, November, Golf, Echo, Lima, Adolfo. Did I get your name correct, ma'am?
Yes, that's right.
May I know your contact details, ma'am?
0912-345-6789.
Thank you, ma'am. Miss Angela, should I make a reservation under your name?
Yes, please.
When do you want your reservation, ma'am?
I want it today.
For how many people, ma'am?
For 2-person, please.
What time do you want your reservation is?
Exactly 6 o'clock p.m., please.
For smoking or non-smoking area, ma'am?
Non-smoking area, please.
May I repeat your table reservation, ma'am?
Yes, please.
Miss Angela, you have your table reservation exactly at 6 p.m. today, July 4, 2024, for 2-person only in the non-smoking area under your name, Miss Angela De La Cruz, with the contact number of 091234568789. Is that correct, ma'am?
Yes, it is. Thank you so much.
Is there anything you would like to request, ma'am?
No, that's it. Thank you.
Miss Angela, thank you for patronizing Situation Cafe and Restaurant. We are looking forward to welcoming you.